move to Brazil and change my identity. I can't deal with this. Love coffee. I love coffee. Oh my god, who remembers That's Asda Price? Oh my god, my eye won't open. Oh my god. Oh, hello. Oh Jesus, what the hell do I look like? Who is that interview finder? Because that's not me, I look disgusting. I am not doing good at all. I have had about 4 hours sleep. Why? Why, you might be asking? Because I've never, quite frankly, met a regular sleeping schedule. I feel like not even when I was like 4. I don't know if this is fact or fiction. Is that what they say in school? But I can just imagine myself being the type of child who'd wake my mom up at like 4 AM screaming because I have been an annoyance to her from the day I left her womb. I'm Lewis Ball and you're listening to my audiobook on my life. Chapter 1. Disappointment. And I don't really know how to get onto a regular sleeping schedule, so I guess I'm just gonna live my life as a mess. Hi though, welcome to this video. If you're new here, please subscribe. I promise, I can't promise I'm not crazy. There really is something wrong with me, but I'm scared of my local GP to go visit. I'm Lewis Ball, welcome to chapter 2 of my audiobook, Disaster. I don't know why I'm doing this video. Can we like make me send oh bloody do you want to fight you? Because you're gonna bloody get one if you keep acting up like that. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. If we could all please arrange a prayer circle for my skin. I would like to pray to our holy God, Father and Spirit for my skin, Rihanna. And if you would all stand to sing the church national hymn. Tell me, rude boy, can you get it up? Take it, take it. I also feel like I should do a disclaimer, like, you know the one that used to be on like You've Been Framed and Jackass, like, or even like on Britain's Got Talent, you know the people who shove like sticks on fire down their throat. Like, first of all, I thought I was crazy. Second of all, what was I saying? My brain works faster than my mouth. Don't try this, because I'm not taking responsibility if you wake up with a spot. I'm wearing the same makeup for 24 hours. But my brushes are disgusting. Disgusting! It was one of yours. We, and by we I mean you at home as well as myself, know that these are never get washed or cleaned or soaked in dishwater sponge because I am foul. It's something I'm truly passionate and what is going on with this? Because Marie Antoinette would not stand for this. She'd slap me silly until I looked presentable. 9 AM for me is so early. Like, I feel like the birds aren't even breathing at this time. Matching foundation because I can't seem to do that for cowpat. Isn't that such a weird word that people use for excretion? Pat. I've also decided that I'm never going to get into a relationship via social media. Because look at me. I post this online forever. It is going to stay online forever. Future jobs which I apply for will search my name and see me doing this. There is like hair growing out of every single left, right angle and follicle on my brow area. And they are not paying rent. So quite frankly, they are not welcome on my face. If you could all please politely leave out the back door, not making a sound. This coffee is literally what is making me sit here right now. It is going through my blood veins. Why does that sound something like out of some like weird fanfic from like a One Direction stan? Coffee entered my system and flowed through my bloodstream. I felt a tingle at the top of my fingers as I tapped away typing onto Instagram. I feel the lace of my trainer come undone, and before I know it, I'm flying, flinging myself smack onto the floor. Are you alright? I hear above me. My heart stops. I know that voice. It's Bob Duncan. I should maybe start writing fanfics because that was kind of good. Alright, well, I'm gonna get ready because I'm running late and doing this is only distracting me. Oh, why does nothing in my life ever seem simple? What is that song where it's just like, nothing in my life is as it seems? Or did I just make that up? I'm gonna continue to get ready. I guess I will update you with progress reports. I feel like I'm reporting the news weather. Okay, that's just like entered my bucket list to present the weather on the news one day. If ITV News... If ITV News is watching, please, let me present the weather for one day. Just one day is all I ask, sir. Please, alright. Cheerio, pit pie, period poo. What is this on my freaking eyelash? I hate lashes. Hate them. Why won't it just stick on my eyelid? I just want it to stick on my eyelid. These lashes are so broken as well. It's literally like the 26th time I've worn them. Oh my god, just stick down. Why does it look like that? Why does it look like, what is, oh my, I swear to god, I'm going to actually move to Brazil and change my identity. I can't deal with this. Oh my god, they are so like not sat properly, and I'm not actually fully prepared to have them on my eyelids for 24 hours. Why have I got eyelash glue like molting my eyelashes together? Like, this is not okay. Oh, that's not even spraying on my face. And that's me, complete finny, as the Swedish say. The time is currently 9:57 in the morning. Conversation got burning. Said you going to bed soon. What is that song? I don't know what's happening with my brain this morning. It's malfunctioning. Boop, 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 boop. So yes, at 9:57 tomorrow, I will be removing this. Oh my god, I've actually just said that and it sounds disgusting. Anyway, I'm literally running so late. So oh my god, who remembers That's Asda Price? Oh my god, I'm literally running late. I don't know why I'm bloody talking about it. Okay, I'll speak to you like when I speak to you. I'll give you updates, live updates from Channel 5 News. That's my unmade bed in the background. Alright, I'm just about to head off on my journey, on my embarkment, on my adventure through life. Breath-stroking through each day. Okay, I'm going. I will update you. Let's hope that my skin doesn't boil up and fall off. Good luck, Charlie. I literally put my hand on the wrong thing. Okay, goodbye. Okay, so now I am out from where I'm stupid. Don't know that's news. I have 3 brain cells. And those 3 brain cells are the lyrics to TikTok by Kesha. I decided to film this video, you know, where I'm supposed to be taking you around, updating you on a day where I'm filming something completely confidential and I cannot show you. So it is now 6 o'clock, but I'm out and I'm getting a Starbite because I need some caffeine running in my bloodstream. Hi everyone, I'm just in Starbucks. I love coffee. There is an old man to the left of me watching me, and I feel uncomfortable. Hi vlog! With Starbucks. I got a peach green tea lemonade and I'm just waiting for a nice latte because I just love coffee. I love coffee. Don't talk to me in the morning, and I mean don't talk to me in the morning if I haven't had my coffee. You don't want to see that side of me. Yes, that's me. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, now enough of this. Stop it now. Stop. Oh, I need to give you an update, girls. How's Floodie Soby? Go on, person, babe. So the time is now 19:07, which is 7 o'clock in Roman numerals. And I'm not being funny. Okay, so we've obviously, oh, this light said I'm disgusting. Shut up! Thank you. I swear to. Are you gonna make it? Oh! Okay, actually, like, this side's okay. This side, the foundation's a little, kind of like skirting off my face.
Whiplash. Whiplash, pink. What's the lyrics?
Give him whiplash, pink ass.
That's some weird lyrics. I never actually did.
Give him whiplash, pink ass.
Pink wig, thick ass.
Yeah, I'm coming, Roger, over this bed. Anyway, yeah, my makeup's like still kind of like on, so she's kind of slaying. She's kind of slaying. She's slaying.
Do you know what you look like?
So we came for dinner, but I completely forgot to vlog any of the food. And it's all finished. We gobbled it all up. We were at this cool place. Woo! I don't know if you can see, but one of my eyelids, the entire shimmer has come off. The shimmer is no longer shimmering. Well, that was my 5th coffee of the day. So I am not gonna sleep tonight, Deirdre. I had a lunch lady called Deirdre.
Oh, Starbucks is closed now.
Bye-bye, vibes. The time is now 11:30, you can't even read that. And we've come to a service station because we believe that the Starbucks is open here. Is that open? Oh my god, is it open? Yes, it's open, it's open, it's open, it's open, it's open. Taste test. Read the makeup. Oh, my skin is not looking. Oh. This eyelash is also just hanging on not great. So not really excited to have a slumber. But other than that, I'm still slaying. So I literally only just got back and it is 4 o'clock in the morning. Oh my. That Uber ride back was a complete mess. Did I fall asleep? That's a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. The boy who can't get a normal sleeping schedule. Also, my Uber driver was really weird. He was like loudly chomping on a satsuma or a tangerine or whatever the bloody hell you call them, a clementine. And I was like, excuse me, I can bloody hear the citrus juices whirling around your gob from here. In regards to makeup, I mean, quite frankly, the face is just not. Is it even on? Hello, is this thing even on? The brows have stayed disgustingly intact. The mascara is pretty good. The eyeshadow's okay. My eyelashes literally feel like heavyweight champions holding up these false lashes. My eyes are literally drooping. They hurt so much. And I'm getting stressed about having to sleep on these white bed sheets with this on my face. I was about to say Mama didn't raise a quitter, but she most certainly did. Halfway through any of my endeavors in life, I do in fact quit, but this one, I won't. So catch you in the morning. This boy right here is not gonna have any problems counting sheep tonight. And that is a scientific fact proved by Einstein himself. And that's on what? Period, love. Cheerio. Ta-ta. Mwah. I woke up like this. Oh my god, my eye won't open. Oh my god. Oh, hello, 911, this is an emergency. It's not quite beat 24 hours yet and it's literally killing me. I literally just have to lie here in this makeup I've worn for 23 hours for another 45 minutes. However, there's like nothing on the pillows, so we clean or whatever. I don't understand how my eyelashes stayed on so well. Okay, that one's a little like, but like they are stuck on. They're attached. My face is just, she's out the window though. She's completely gone. She's gone go bloody bye. Alright, I'm off, right, bye mate. Oh my god, we're so close. We're so close. Obviously, literally my entire face makeup. Oh my god, there's still a little bit of highlighter on here actually. But my eye makeup and eyebrows have literally stayed on. And I literally have no idea how. But do you see my lashes? They are still like stuck on like bloody PVA glue that you get in primary school. Get it off. Oh my god, my skin looks like it's burning. Don't blame it on the sunshine, and don't blame it on the moonlight. Oh my god, it literally went in my eye, it went in my freaking... Maybe next time I should do wear my cleanser for 24 hours. We crazy. Hello. Oh my god. Switch the tap off because we're trying to save the turtles, the dolphin, and the turtlefish, and the catfish, and the monkfish, and the Great Barrier Reef. Oh my god. My skin survived. I touch wood. Oh my god, there is no wood. There is no wood, people. This is the closest thing I have to wood. Touch wood. I don't think I got a spot. Just need to grab some moisturizer. 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 Need to grab some moisturizer. Because my skin... Oh, honey. My skin, it needs everything for it.